How to fix Play Store not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on App Management. After click on App Management, scroll down and search Play Store app. From here, click on Play Store app. For example, this is Play Store app. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Play Store is not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.